Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Subaru Impreza sedan, stock reference number 5680. This shape runs from the 7th month 2013 through to the 12th month 2015. It has an FB20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. FB20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight. Left guard has one small dent. Left power door mirror. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left front door has 3 small dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, tidy rear boot lid, bumper cover, sorry. Boot lid has 2 small dents. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 2 small dents. Right front door has 1 small dent. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater control, single zone type, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.